Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to use the boundary box or boundary base option. Tools in Solidworks software. This is one kind of feature which is similar to the lofted box or lofted base command. So at first I'm going to the file and taking the new file and part is selected. Then OK. Then I'm going to select the MMGS and the units. Then I'm taking the plane, top plane, do the sketch. I'm taking the rectangle and center rectangle is taken. Then a sketch. I'm not taking any dimension. It's a free. Then I'm taking the top plane again and features. Go to the reference geometry and plane. And I'm taking the plane is 50 millimeters from the origin. Here we are watching. Then go to the sketch and select the circle and sketch a circle. I'm taking this one. Exit. Again I am selecting the top plane, go to the features, go to the reference geometry and plane. Then taking it will be 100 from the origin. Then I am going to the sketch and select the center rectangle again. And sketch it. Taking it up. Then exit. Then I am rotate it. Then go to the features, select the boundary or base. Then click upper one, middle one and lower one. This make this body. We can this option by lofted base. In this place, this is the another benefit is we can change the direction by clicking by pressing this point. There was, and we can upwards, and by pressing this point you can earn this way. This way. There was. Then OK, or we can also the we can change the angle by this way. We can select it, but we are not taking this one. So OK. Then I'm going here and click here. It's gone. You're watching the block. Then I'm going here and select this one. You're watching. Dimension is done. This object is done. I'm going here and double click here. Taking the metal. I'm taking this polish object or polished steel and select this color. Okay. You're watching. I think everybody got it. What I have done it, and everybody understood the use of boundary box or boundary base command. If you think that you are benefited, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. And Redesign Engineering is also with you.